This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Hello, the original was is got for stitching purpose and handing over the Xerox copy. Then I'm just.
What is it?
My lord, there are several suppression in fact in law.
My lord, this the
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Gramin Yojana Kendra, the project is a relevant project. No sanction plan is required.
oh,
Apart from that, sitting for amicable settlement was held, duly appeared. But petitioner, after conclusion, without signing the minutes, left. All others appeared.
my lord, he is preparing the new fact.
That fact has been completely suppressed. Kind of.
My lord,
One thing.
my lord,
Please wait.
I have been
Please
threatened.
wait. There was a direction to consider and dispose of.
Dispose of.
You could have disposed it of.
No.
What authority do you have to call for parties for amicable settlement? Is this your work?
Threatened to
My lord.
send to the jail.
There
Is this your work
My
to
lord.
call for amicable settlement?
I
That is not your work.
My lord, this is way. This category of construction is completely exempted.
Oh,
Very well. You pass an order and say it's exempted.
my lord,
Who stopped you from doing so?
Well,
comply
for
the
that
compliance
reason I have
report by way of affidavit. I will
Compliance
happy.
I have-
Because of that settlement, I was not allowed to enter.
What is the 3rd of October 23? The order was
I have
passed.
already complied. August 2024.
What you have complied? Did you pass any order? A reasoned order was directed to be passed. Is this the way an affidavit of compliance is prepared?
Yes, my lord, let them to file.
Is this the way an affidavit of compliance is prepared?
Not affidavit, just
My lord, I have not
Is there-
also been allowed to participate in the, my lord,
What is the reason?
I have been
My lord,
threatened.
kindly
to-
grant me a day. I can affirm it and file it.
But you cannot appear so casually in a court appearing for the contemner.
My lord, I
When?
appreciate. Just today I have been.
What did happen? Where you, if you say that the order has been complied, an affidavit of compliance should have been prepared and brought in court.
What,
Yes,
obvious.
by way of affidavit, then I
was already here, but due to the
Mhm.
paucity of time, I couldn't. My lord, if your lordship be pleased to grant me a single day,
Paucity of time. 3rd October 23, the order is
I
passed.
have been briefed, so I have
That
advised.
is not the petitioner's problem. That is your client's problem.
Just tomorrow, yesterday I was appointed and advised to prepare. Today I just received this compliance report.
Please come. Did you file your wakalatnama?
Today,
Um,
it is on Tuesday.
such and such person, Pradhan of the such and such Gram Panchayat is personally present. Why was nobody present on the last occasion when the matter was taken up for consideration?
She was not properly informed.
By whom?
petitioner.
She is totally novice and she was not properly.
What does she do? What does she do?
Pradhan.
Bolun?
I do not want to hear it from her. What does she do?
Housewife, simple housewife.
Very interested in performing as the Pradhan, not knowing anything. And then calling people for amicable settlement. This is the work of the Pradhan. Who has instructed her to call for amicable settlement when there is a court's order to do certain things in a certain manner?
My lord, if it is.
There is no question of ifs and but. Court's order is there.
Court
The
order is whether
person is bound to comply, they
without
say.
going into the right title interest, whether the construction authorized or unauthorized. That was the court order. But so far as to declare as unauthorized,
Okay.
I need statutory help. But it is beyond the purview. It is totally exempted under the law. How can I adjudicate that this is an unauthorized construction?
The more you submit, I am going to impose costs upon your client. If she has instructed you to submit in such a manner. কি বললাম? Learned advocate representing the contemner submits upon instruction that the order passed by the court has been complied with.
I said not.
The aforesaid submission is denied by the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. Let an affidavit of compliance be prepared and circulated by 20th of February 20, released on 26th.
Okay.
Personal appearance of the condemned stands dispensed with for the time being. Take this back.
Mal-
229.
I am for the petition. Beyond the order.
Arambagh Municipality.
Yes, my lord, I am appearing for this is, sir.
Yes, affidavit of compliance.
Yes.
Served.
Well, today in court that has been served.
You want to go through it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And to take an exception to this affidavit. Compliance.
The chairman and the chief executive officer of the municipality present.
Both are.
What is the instruction? Has the order been complied with?
Let me go through this and my lord take a,
No, what instruction did you receive from your client? What was the order?
The
my lord page 52.
order beyond the compliance report. Order ওটাকে বলো একটু দেরি করে দিয়েছে 15/7/24 অর্ডার
Unauthorized construction.
Yes, ma'am.
After giving an opportunity of
Yes.
all the necessary
Ma'am.
parties, including the.
My lord, I
Within period of
restrain
3
myself.
months.
Has reasoned order been passed?
Yes, my lord,
Yes,
page,
pass.
my lord, page 15.
Beyond the
My lord,
scope.
বলো তাহলে
Yes.
তুমি করো my lord, I restrain myself to make any comments my lord on the same 7X and praying for an exception.
Hmm.
And date of order my lord, kindly have a look.
13 July 24 1st May 2024 এখানে জুলাই হয়েছে 24 এ আজকে এসে ও রিজিন অর্ডার দিচ্ছে
See, according to the order that has been passed, whether this is proper or improper, you have to challenge it in
No,
a
no, no.
fresh course of action.
My lord, with deepest respect, I am submitting, it is not the compliance report.
Hmm.
That is why, my lord, I restrain myself to make any comments on this same because it has been handed over today. My lord, I shall take an exception to this.
No,
Kindly have
one
an-
minute. Taking exception means the matter is to be heard, right? What is to hear upon the legality of this order?
That is why, my lord, I praying, my lord, kindly grant me a leave. Kindly. 1 week time, my lord, fixed any day. I shall take an exception and come back to your lordship. I restrain myself today to make any comments.
What
on that.
purpose will be served?
Kindly, my lord, this is
Affidavit of compliance filed in court by the contemner numbers 1 and 2 be written with the records.
স্কোপই বলো
Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to revert with instruction. Stop. Personal appearance dispensed with. Released on 2nd of April.
my red food